how is you and your organization, kind of tackling the buzzword AI, right? I mean, today, if you talk to people, everyone wants to forcibly use the word AI somewhere or the other, right? They feel that, AI is an answer to everything. I don't know if everyone really understand what AI really is, right? Because, it's not a magic wand. It cannot, solve for everything. It cannot read your mind, right? But people feel that it can, and I think the biggest brunt of AI is something which is customer success is facing these days, because people believe that, they type in an email and, you should be able to read everything within that email. You should be able to come with a very crisp response, give action items and things like this, right? So how you as an organization, dealing with the pressure of becoming AI ready, which not many people know what it is, right? So yeah.
So we as a company are thinking about it, and we actually do use AI in for another purpose and pretty well. So we just launched a chatbot. It's available on our website that helps customers find their way through our documentation. It can write sample code for them, et cetera. That's becoming a big hit with our customers and a nice feature to show. Beyond that, I think we're interested in AI, but we're not quite sure what problem it would fix for us. I do see and hear of companies that want to they kind of treat AI like magic fairy dust, and they want to sort of sprinkle it over everything and just hope it'll get better. AI is a powerful tool now that will be even more powerful in the future, that you have to use for a specific purpose and for the right purpose. If you bring it in and implement AI, and you don't have a specific use case in mind, you'll end up wasting a lot of time and energy. So I would say think about one or two test cases that you want to try out with it, experiment and see how it works. We're not currently doing anything with AI from the customer success realm, mostly because of the restricted industries that our customers work in, and that sort of handcuffs us in certain areas with our data. But it is something we're keeping our eye on, how we can use it, and then ultimately how we can help our customers integrate that into their end applications.
Makes sense. So that was a very honest answer, Jim. Just acknowledging the fact that I don't really know where an AI will help me. I think that's very honest, because usually if you ask these questions, you don't get an honest answer, because everyone would just want to fit in, right? It's like it's a very wannabe world. If you're not doing anything AI, you're
Sure.
not cool. You don't know your topic and things like this, right? So I appreciate that very honest answer from you, Jim.
Sure. And just, for context for that answer. So I have I've been around for a while. So
Yeah.
I'll just say I started my career in the last century and leave it at that. But I feel like, Shobit, every, I don't know, 5 to 7 years, there's a new buzzword. When I started in the 90s, it was a data warehouse. It became data visualization, and then business intelligence, and then it was having data ponds and data lakes and data oceans and all this stuff. And now we've moved on to AI. And I think companies hear it and it sounds really good, and they think it's going to make their hair less gray and their teeth whiter, and it doesn't fix everything. You have to use it for the right purpose.
Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. Great answer, Jim.